Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Certificate of Cancellation Business Trust for Nevada businesses. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who need to find the Certificate of Cancellation Business Trust. And so this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're first going to visit this website here called nvsos.gov/sos/home, and then you're going to reach this page that looks like this. Click on businesses, which is this tab here. And then on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says resources and then click on forms library. Once you're on forms library, you want to scroll down to where it says business trust filings. And then you're going to find the Certificate of Cancellation Business Trust. So if you click on form, a PDF is going to appear where you need to just type or print the answers to all the prompts that are given. And then that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the Certificate of Cancellation Business Trust. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.